Granddaughter is a SP&S fan on this 1968 version of the Empire Builders Portland section. Stopping at Ram, Washington. Pacing it along Highway 14. Mill at Camas, Washington. We'll let the FA run by itself, get some break-in laps. Out of the tunnels along the Columbia River. So I'm impressed with Model Train stuff. They gave me no flack about returning it. I sent them the video, like a 10-second video of the train running real buckily, and hey, here's your return authorization, send it back, and we'll get you a new one as soon as we can. And they did. And it's rushing through the Hood River Valley right now. So thanks, Model Train stuff. And this will be a great addition to the our early Burlington Northern trains. Not to mention just the Portland sections of the Empire Builder and that. That looks good. I mean, it certainly doesn't need the B unit right now and runs by itself just fine. Yes. Doesn't it run? All right. We'll talk to you later, folks.